Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you an extensive review of the DSA self-paced course in Python from Geeks4Geeks. So already I've made a review of the DSA self-paced course and the complete interview preparation course, and in case you want to watch these videos then the link will be in the description. So a lot of people were commenting in these videos that these courses are being taught in Java and C++, but there's a huge majority of people who want to learn DSA in Python, which is why I'm reviewing the DSA self-paced course in Python from Geeks4Geeks, which is specifically for people who want to learn DSA using Python. So I have the course right here, and I'm going to tell you the features of this course. I'm going to tell you the content and whether this course is worth it or not. We're going to discuss that in depth. So starting with the price of the price of the course is 3999, which is the same as the DSA self-paced course that I've discussed right here. So the price is same. And the price is actually pretty good if you compare it to the features that you're getting, because not only you're getting recorded videos, but apart from that, you're getting community classes and you're also getting live classes as well. And the content of these videos, if you take a look at the theory part, then the content is pretty much top notch like I mentioned, and the content is pretty much same as the DSSL pace in Java and C++. So the content in theory part is pretty similar to the DSSL pace in Java and C++, and if you take a look at the code part, which is important because here the code is with Python, then the code is explained very well. So they have some great mentors. They have Sandeep Chan, and apart from Sandeep Chan, they have a few more mentors who are teaching this in Python, and they have explained the code, everything in a very beautiful manner so that you're able to understand everything. And in case that you're not able to understand something, you also have doubt assistance, which is a great feature. So any time of the day, 24/7, you can just whatever you're learning, in case you have a doubt, you can just ask your doubt here and they will get back to you and explain the concept to you so that you can get your doubt resolved. So the theory part of it is pretty good, and the implementation in Python is also pretty good. And after every topic, you have some MCQs and you have some problems. And once you solve those problems, you'll get a good knowledge of the concepts, and you'll be getting the solution in case that you don't understand the problem in Python as well. So you'll be able to understand all of these concepts in a very beautiful manner. They have the basics and then they have the advanced. The topic distribution is similar to the normal DSSL base course, but here everything is with Python. And apart from that, they have live classes and they have community classes. So community classes will be according to your batch. For example, this is the batch that I took. So for me, the classes will be on June 17, June 18, July 1, July 2, July 15. So according to the time that you buy the course, the classes will be set for you. And these classes are very helpful. I've taken them in the past, and here they deep dive into problem solving, so that not only you understand the concepts, but also that you're able to solve the problems of DSA using Python. And apart from that, you also have contests in Python, of course, so that you can learn where you stand. So after learning, you can revise using a contest and you can see your problem solving skills and you can take an insight into your learning. They have around 10 contests in Python that you can give, and based on that, you will really improve your problem solving skills, and you'll also get a rank which will appear right here. So this is a pretty great course if you want to learn DSA, and that too in Python, because most of the courses that you see are in Java or C++, but this is a course which is specifically for people who want to learn DSA in Python. And if you want to buy this course, then you can use code Ashish to get 10% off. The code will appear on the screen. You can use this code Ashish to get 10% off on this course anytime that you purchase it. So if you want to purchase this course, don't forget to use code Ashish. So that's pretty much all I have. In case you want to know more, if you have any other doubts, then feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be sure to answer, and let me know what course you want me to review next. And again, don't forget to use code Ashish to get 10% off. Start your learning and go out there and crack your dream company. That's all I have. Thank you.